in this question, we're supposed to simplify this expression over here. All right, so let me rewrite this expression first. Okay, 3y over y squared minus 9 minus 2y over y plus 3. All right, now how do we go ahead to simplify this? All right, so for this we need to remember our factorization rules a bit to make our life easier, because this denominator here, y square minus 9, all right, actually looks very similar in a particular pattern. If you remember your factorization, we say that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so in our case, y square minus 9 is actually y square minus 3 square, correct? So that is the you can factorize it to y plus 3 and y minus 3. Okay, so that means from this expression, what I can do next is I can write it as 3y over y plus 3 and y minus 3 minus 2y over y plus 3. Okay, so now that we have this, we can see that, okay, on the left hand side I have y plus 3 and y minus 3, but on the right hand side I only have y plus 3 in the denominator. Alright, so in order to make it a common denominator, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the denominator on the right hand side by y minus 3. So since I multiply the denominator, I'm also multiply the numerator. Alright, so in terms of maths, this is just 1, correct? And so we're not changing anything. But by doing this, okay, by multiplying by y minus 3 or y minus 3, we are making both the denominators the same. Alright, and once both the denominators are the same, we can go on to combine them into a single fraction. Okay, so what I have now is y plus 3, y minus 3. Alright, and 3y's denominator is already this entire combination here, so you don't need to do anything. And here I've already multiplied by y minus 3, so for the second term is 2y into y minus 3. Alright, so the next step is just to open up the bracket on top. So y plus 3, y minus 3, 3y minus, so 2y times y is minus 2y square, and this is plus 6y. Alright, minus times minus is plus, 2 times 3 is 6. Right, so I have 3 plus 6, 9y minus 2y square over y plus 3y minus 3. Alright, and of course one last step that you can probably do here is to just factorize out the y on top. So 9 minus 2y divided by y plus 3 and y minus 3. Alright, so that is the final answer for this question here. Okay, so let me just zoom out so you can see it clearly. Alright, thank you.